You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this very confusing word. I know many people around me mispronounce it too much, and yes, the spelling makes it confusing, but it's actually easy once you know. If you want to learn more vocabulary, more pronunciation, stay tuned. Militia. British English and American English pronunciations are similar, which makes it more straightforward than you think. Militia. 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 Stress on the li syllable. Militia. So the first syllable is either a m syllable or a short e. Militia, militia, or militia. The two pronunciations are correct. Militia, militia, militia. And now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.